Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone calendar not syncing on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open settings, then tap on your profile icon. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on Save to iCloud. Now from this app list, just look for the calendar app and make sure that the toggle of the calendar app is enabled. Now after you do that, then go back. And from here, just check the storage for your iCloud. Now, if the storage of your iCloud is filled up, you can either delete some data from your iCloud or you can tap on upgrade for more storage and you can subscribe to iCloud Plus to get more storage. Now, if you're using different Apple devices, just make sure that your Apple ID is signed into all the devices. Otherwise, your data will not be synced to your Apple account. After that, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on General. After that, just tap on iPhone storage and check if you have enough storage on your iPhone or not. If you do not have storage on your iPhone, just delete any data or an app which you no longer need to free up some storage. After that, just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then open Settings and tap on General. From here, just tap on Date and Time. Now, just check if the date and time on your iPhone are correct to your region. If they are not correct, just tap on the date and you can set the date manually from here. After that, just tap on time and set the time manually from here. Or you can enable set automatically. Now, if you enable set automatically, your iPhone will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. Now, after that, just go back to the main settings page. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Calendar app and tap on it. From here, just tap on Calendar Accounts. Now just make sure that the accounts are added for the calendar you're using. For an example, if you're using Google Calendar, just make sure that your Gmail is signed in. For that, just tap on Add Account and select your email service provider from here and follow the steps needed to sign into your email account. Now finally, just go back to the main settings page and tap on battery. From here, just tap on power mode. Now, if low power mode is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it. Now, sometimes when low power mode is enabled, it might cause the syncing issue of your data to your iCloud. And this is how you can fix iPhone calendar not syncing on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.